Hey, it's Phil. In the SYSTEME.io review for 2025, I want to share with you everything you need to know about SYSTEME. I've been a user for about 5 years, but honestly, I don't use it that much anymore. So what I want to do in this video is showcase the features, talk about the pricing and the hidden Easter eggs there. Then I'm going to tell you about what I love, what I don't, and if you stick around until the end of this video, you'll know if it's right for you. And just before we get into it, if you haven't yet got SYSTEME, I've actually created a bonus course called the SYSTEME Accelerator. It's going to help you get set up fast with the tutorials as well as free templates. So if you want to get that for free, make sure you join SYSTEME for free using the link in the description. Okay, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. So this is SYSTEME.io. No doubt you already know about it. It claims to be the easiest all-in-one marketing platform, and honestly, I do believe they are accurate with that statement. Now, you can get started for free. You don't need a credit card to get into it. Let's quickly run through the pricing to explain what you do actually get. So on the freemium plan, you get up to 2,000 contacts. You get one custom domain, which is not offered in any other platform on any free plans. You can basically get access to all of the features inside of SYSTEME, obviously, just with limits. You don't get webinar features, but I don't know many people using the webinar features, so it's definitely not a deal breaker. And as you upgrade, you just basically increase the amount of limits. And then finally, you have the unlimited plan, which, as it sounds, has unlimited limits. Now, there are a few Easter eggs inside of here. If you decide to get yearly billing, you can get, for example, the starter plan for $170. You save 2 months in subscription. But the real deal maker of this, right, the real Easter egg is you get free migration, right, on the yearly plan. So what does that mean? Free migration basically means if you have, for example, a website hosted somewhere, if you used to use maybe a platform like ClickFunnels, if you used to use an email marketing software like, I don't know, MailChimp or something like that, and you're trying to consolidate all of your data, which I always recommend, then SYSTEME is going to do it for free, even on the lowest plan for $170 a year. And honestly, no other company or no other freelancer would even touch majority of migrations for anything less than $1,000. So the fact you get to have a startup plan for a year plus you get free migration is absolutely nuts. If you're thinking about getting SYSTEME, definitely go for this. If you already have online assets, it's just going to save you so much time and headache. Now, the other Easter egg inside of here as well, which not many people know about, is sub accounts. So this was a feature that was launched about, I don't know, around 6 months ago. And the cool thing about this, which once again, not many people know, if you are, for example, on the startup plan, you can have 5,000 contacts and all of the other limits, but you can have unlimited sub accounts. And if you had, say, 10 sub accounts, each having 500 contacts, that's not going to equal the 5,000. Each sub account gets 5,000 contacts. So imagine if you had 10 businesses, you could literally put each business in their own sub account and only pay for a single subscription as long as you didn't overgo the limits, right? So each account could essentially have 4,000 contacts and you'd still be within the startup limit. Now, what makes this really exciting is when you get to the unlimited plan, because of course, unlimited accounts, unlimited limits inside of it, there's your basically marketing engine forever inside of it. So they've done some pretty amazing things inside of here. Hopefully that gives you what you need. So here is the dashboard. This is my test account, my demo account that I shoot tutorials with. And I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough of where everything is so you get an idea. So we've got the dashboard. This is this one here. They're about to change the user experience. It's kind of plain, but they're going to put nice graphs and different layouts and things like that soon. We've also got your affiliate dashboard. If you are an affiliate for anyone who hosts products in SYSTEME.io, or if you share SYSTEME.io itself, which I should probably mention right now has got a 60% affiliate commission structure for affiliates. So if you share this platform with anyone, they decide to join, they upgrade, you're going to get 60% of their purchase, basically as long as they're paying for, which is insane. Most people only pay 40% and most people don't have lifetime commissions. So really good on that end. Then we also have here the student dashboard. If anyone sells you a course hosted on SYSTEME, all of the courses you purchase will be hosted here. We've also got a lightweight CRM. It's kind of nice. It's very plain, but that's honestly all you need. It's got all of the contacts info, which subscriptions, payments they are doing, which email campaigns they're a part of, their email history, and so forth. You can also see which ones have clicked. So nothing really to report there. You've got your tags. You've also got pipelines. And honestly, I don't use the pipelines, but I think it's just a feature they wanted to add to try to keep up with every other all-in-one marketing platform. It's nothing standoutish, but it's there if you ever wanted it. We also have insights, sales funnels, and of course I am a funnel guy, so I do love the SYSTEME.io funnel experience. It's got a great builder and the pages load extremely quick, so I can't really fault it at all, right? Everything's just nice and easy. And once again, it's just such an easy user experience. So that's the sales funnels. They work great. You can also have digital stores if you want to sell multiple products, have things like checkouts. You can also create a blog, have unlimited blogs inside of it on any of the plans. So that's all there. We have also got email newsletters if you want to send out newsletter blasts. We've also got email campaigns, which is like automated email sequences. They've recently added in SMS marketing, which I don't do personally, so I can't report on. We've got automation workflows and automation rules. For example, this is the canvas you can build things on. It's not drag and drop, but it's still there. You can visually see what goes on. You have a few extra additional types of automations that you don't get inside of the rules tab. So it's nice to have. It's there if you need it, right? It's pretty cool. Next, we've got assets where you can have things like your own online courses. So this is what an online course could look like. Sorry for my face there. But it does work really smoothly. I should probably point out right now as well that they do offer video hosting, but one thing to watch out for, which I didn't know for a long time and a lot of my stuff got pirated, is the video hosting is extremely basic. You can literally right click on any video, click save video as, and then someone can download your videos. So if you are going to sell online courses, definitely get third-party video hosting, something like Wistia, something like Vimeo. It's about $20 a month. It's just going to save your content getting stolen. But that's one of the flaws. But apart from that, I mean, the user experience is great inside of SYSTEME. You can also edit the course lessons just like you would with the page builder. So I like this. It's not limited to just restricted elements like one video, text, blah, blah, blah. You can literally put whatever you want inside of here. So that's really good. What else have we got? Right, we've got communities as well, which isn't anything standoutish. It's actually very plain, and it's nothing like School or Go Code Lab, which is Go High Level's one, yet it does work. I don't know many people using it, but it's there if you want a lightweight community. So I wouldn't base my decision on that. You can also see all of your orders. You can see your own affiliate programs. And that's basically it. So if I was to recap what I love about Go High Level, the first thing would be the sales funnel builder. I absolutely love how lightweight it is, how easy it is to use. And I absolutely love this form field element, right? You can literally choose what you want it to be. And while it seems very minor, no other page builder actually offers it. They make it extremely complicated. You have to sometimes build them in third-party pages instead of building it right here. SYSTEME have done a great job with page builders. It's just easy to use. And what you see is basically what you get. What I also love is actually online courses. They seem quite simple, and you do need to get video hosting, but that's the beauty of it. It's simple, it looks great, and it just works. I absolutely love it. It's fast to load. Can't really have any issues with it. So those are my favorite parts of SYSTEME.io. It's simple, it's usable, it's just smooth and easy. Once again, it's the easiest all-in-one marketing platform, which I also agree with. Now let's talk about the things that I don't love about SYSTEME. So the first one is going to be custom domains. And if you've ever used SYSTEME, you know this is a real pain in the neck. I actually shot a tutorial on how to go through this process. It's only like 10 or 11 minutes long, and I was surprised to get 15,000 views in it, but it's a common problem with SYSTEME. And what happens is if you want to add a custom domain, you have to add in 2 CNAME variables, which is okay. You go into your DNS, your domain provider, you edit the DNSs, that's no problem. Next, you are stuck with email issues, right? So you've got to add in 5 more domain values to your domain to actually make it be able to send emails. And if you don't complete this, you won't be able to send anything. And the verification for this takes like 24 hours sometimes, which is a real problem. And then on top of that, we also have another issue, which is the CAA errors. So this is another video that I've shot, and randomly sometimes you have to do CAA verification too. So if you face that, I've also got a video for this one too. But these are just things that you don't want to face when you're trying to set things up. Platforms these days have like a one-click option where it goes into your domain provider, it sets it up for you, and then brings you back, which I am a big fan of. Systeme's not there just yet, but this is one of the biggest problems with it. The next one, of course, is going to be video hosting. You cannot actually just upload and leave and hope it's going to be safe. People love to steal content, so you are going to need to pay for third-party hosting. Once again, it's not a big cost. It's not going to be a deal breaker. Another problem with SYSTEME, which I'm getting kind of picky with now, is actually the ability to integrate third-party platforms. What I mean by this, I have an Elementor website. If someone puts their name and email inside of my Elementor form, I would love to be able to integrate them directly into systeme.io, but that's not the case. You're going to have to rely on platforms like Zapier or some other third-party apps using their API, which can get extremely technical, and sometimes it's not reliable as well. So it's a bit of a deal breaker for me because I post on multiple platforms and multiple platforms take leads in multiple ways. So that's another negative on the back end. And then the final one is actually going to be the lack of AI. Now, I know it's a budget-friendly platform, so it isn't there and it isn't made to have AI, but I just see everyone else integrating it into their software. Systeme.io doesn't have that just yet. Now, apart from those little tips that I have, it's still a powerful platform. It's still probably my favorite in terms of selling online products because the entire experience is just so easy. So if you are a beginner looking to get set up, highly recommend Systeme.io. You're not going to find an easier platform. If you're building an advanced or custom type of business, sometimes you might hit limitations. That's when you'd need more expensive software. But get started with SYSTEME. It's free to get into it. And honestly, follow the tutorials on YouTube, on my channel, or inside of my accelerator course to get set up. You'll be up and going in no time. So that is my Systeme.io review for 2025. You cannot beat it for value. However, there are limitations. But if you're a beginner, you cannot beat this platform for ease and for price. So go ahead, check it out yourself. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. That's it for this video. I'll see you on the next one.